Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video. Now today we are going to be turning Planet 9 into a star. So yeah, it has been a while since I've turned the planet into a star. I've sort of like paused the series, but we are back now and we're going to be turning Planet 9 today. So hopefully you all enjoy the video and hopefully you're all having a good day. But anyways, another quick thing I noticed was someone in the comments said, oh, how did you get the old background into the game from older versions? Well, basically I went into an older version of the game and I saved a simulation with that background. So I'll show you right here. Yeah, I called it old background. So if I click it, it will bring me up to the old background that was in the game. I think it was like at the end, or maybe in some point last year. Then the new one came along and replaced it. But it's sort of like glitched because when you switch it onto this and then you open any simulation, like it will give you that background. So if I'm just going to a whole new one now, it still spawns with this background. It's a glitch. It's really weird. It's not like me being doing anything smart. Like if I just click on a random one here, see, it still has it. Like I sort of like glitched it. I don't know if anyone else has this, but it's pretty sweet. But anyways, if I quickly go to my simulation now, we're Planet 9, so that is right there. And as we can see, we're in the old background still, and we also have my custom Planet 9 right here. So it's our pretty blue one, because I don't like the normal Planet 9 it spawns, because it spawns it in like random colours. And if this planet is an ice giant, it's probably going to be blue. So yeah, there you go, I guess. But we're going to be turn this bad boy into a star. So at the moment it's in complete darkness, so we need to do something about that and make it a source of light. So I think we'll be making it really big, because it's far away. If we made it about the same size as the sun, it wouldn't do anything hardly, probably. So we're going to be making it probably around the same size as this star here. That's it, our Aldebaran, an orange giant star. So it's a little smaller than how the sun will be as a red giant, but yeah, there we go. Actually, I think the red giant sun will be way bigger, actually. Wait, let's type it in. Yeah, the red giant sun will be a lot bigger. Yeah, I made my custom own one here. I've got two of them. I can't remember which one's my latest one. I think it's this one, actually. Alright, anyways. So, we've got a lot of work to do. So, first of all, let's start making it bigger. So let's throw some of the Kepler planets in it. And this is going to be pretty cool. Okay, start eating these up, Planet 9. Oh. That was pretty quick. Let's slow time down. Alright, cool. Yeah, I was actually surprised at how many people like this like series, I guess. Like, because people were kept on like saying like, when are you going to do next episode? Or like, do this planet, do this planet. And I was like, it gets too repetitive after a while. So I took a break. But now I'm back doing it. We're going to be doing another few. So, oh, this is pretty cool. Look, we're giving it some rings as well. Let's just spam these planets in. Look at this. Oh, wow. Oh my god, look at Planet 9 just gobbling them all up. Oh, Planet 9's are like going crazy. Getting a bit of game lag, but it's okay. Alright, cool. It's because we're on the highest graphics, or the highest quality settings right now. Okay, we don't want them escaping, so let's quickly grab this guy and pull him back and crash him in there. Okay, fragments I don't care about, because they're not really a big deal. Look at all of the debris though. Like, just look at these rocks, they're so cool. I just love the detail in them, they look really cool. Alright, it still makes me curious though. If these are fragments and they're not circles, how can like a random asteroid be still a circle? Like, if we get a random asteroid here, this is a bit, I believe this should be a... Oh no, they fixed it! They fixed the glitch. Okay, cool, that's good to know. Yeah, these... What about Phobos and Neos? Oh no, they haven't. They still haven't fixed it, look. Because these are meant to be asteroids. Mars's moons are not circular, they are asteroids, so they shouldn't be like this. That's very peculiar. But at least like the random asteroids are now asteroids again. I reckon it won't be a big issue, because I can literally just turn these into asteroids, or I can literally get a random asteroid, make them the same size, and rename it for that. So yeah, that won't be a problem. But anyways, back to Planet 9. And damn, that debris is pretty big. How big is it compared to Earth? Let's have a quick look. Pretty big compared to Earth. Just a random piece of debris. Anyway, let's feed some Earths into Planet 9 as well. Let's do some Venuses, and then we'll throw another Planet 9 in nearby. Okay, here we go. Oh, wow. That's pretty hot. 9,000 degrees now. That's pretty cool. Let's make sure this Earth doesn't escape. And this pretty large fragment. Wow. Let's get rid of that. Let's throw it right in there. Come on, go in. There we go. It's gone. Look at all the debris. This is cool. I just love the old background as well. I used to really like it, but I don't know. I think I like the newer one more now. I think it's more realistic. But anyways, now let's start eating a lot of Planet 9s. Look at this. It's tearing its own self up. Yeah, my Planet 9's the best, not these like peasant ones. Mine's the real Planet 9 because it's got all the blue and stuff. Wait, did we lose it? Yeah, damn it. Alright, let me just call another one in. I'm doing it all on camera, not pausing just for that. So here we go. Let's get my proper Planet 9 in again. And let's give it a little boost in size to make up for that incident. So there we go. Okay, now let's make it so it's orbiting the sun as well. Alright, cool. Okay. No! It's being torn up! Okay, we need to increase the mass as well. So it'll be the most dominant object here. Okay, now it should be the biggest. Come on, eat that fake one up. There we go. There we go. Cool. Whoa, look at the mark on that. Wow, wait. That's really weird, actually. Wait, flashlight. Just look at this quick. It's all like, what's happened here? That's really cool. It's all like, it's all these burn marks almost. I didn't know that. Has there been a secret update I didn't know about? Because if I get what it's meant to look like, again, yeah, sorry if I'm wasting your time here. It's meant to look like this, but like, as you can see, it's like that here. But you see all the details disappeared because of these explosions. That's very strange. It looks normal here, but if you go to the other side, it's all destroyed. That's very strange. Anyway, let's go back on realistic light mode. Okay, there we go. And now let's hit play again. And it's auto orbit, so that thing's like stable again. Let's pull this asteroid towards us. Or this fragment, I mean. Right, come on. And boom. Come on, go in Planet 9. You know you want it. There we go. Alright, now. I think we should do one at a time. We don't want to get too crazy here. Okay, we can eat Neptunes now, actually. There we go. Good old Neptune. One of my favourite planets there, but it's pretty sweet. Let's throw some Uranuses in as well. Might as well. Alright, let's throw more Neptune. Because Neptune has more mass, remember? To make a star, we need mass, not like size. Because Uranus is bigger, but Neptune has more mass in it. So that's what we need. Okay, I think our Planet 9 is pretty good now. How big is it till Saturn? Oh, we can eat a Saturn now. Oh wow, that Saturn just got like shredded, damn. Come on, eat the Saturns. There we go. Oh, what's that one doing over there? You're not allowed to escape like that. Get back here. Alright, there we go, let's put it in. Hey, the Saturn, how did the Saturn take over? That made no sense. Okay, this is the usual problem we usually have in these. I guess that could be one of the reasons why you guys like this. I have no idea. Alright, let's just go all out. Let's put 100,000 on. There we go. Yeah, get wrecked now. Who's the dominant planet now? Alright, so can we eat a 2 mass? No, we can't yet. Alright, let's just spam Jupiter's in. Not orbit. Okay, no, that's not okay. No, these, look how, wow, wait. No, there must have been a secret update. That is really cool. Look at all of the marks on this thing. Okay, that must be an update. This is some visual update, unless it's because I'm on high quality graphics. Because that does not, I've never seen this before, this bad. Okay, well I found some new feature they've had. Look how deformed all the clouds are. That is really cool. And that's more realistic as well. Because when like, if you saw the one of the comments at one, or a comet once hit Jupiter in the 90s, it like made dark patches on Jupiter. Well, if you combine it with other planets, it makes the whole thing get all dark patches on it. Wait, let's go to the graphics. What if we put the graphics on low? Does it like change? Oh no, it doesn't. So it always does that now. Okay, cool. I didn't see any updates. So I don't know what that's all about. Anyways, let's just add another Planet 9 in. Because it doesn't really matter if it's a new one. It's still in pretty much the same position as it is in the solar system. So it's not a big deal. Okay, there we go. And let's give it 100 Jupiters in size as well. Okay, so now we have a star. But we want to go a lot more than that. So I don't know if I want to combine it with any other stars. Because I don't want it to supernova. But let's just do a few. Can we make it bigger? Okay, this should work. Okay, getting a lot bigger. In fact, yeah, actually, I don't want it to blow up. So let's add a 0 on the end here. Let's make it like that. Oh, dang it, that didn't work. Alright, let's just do this. And let's make it more massive than the sun as well. Let's do 5 suns. Just won't go too far. And then if we do that. Okay, so we've got a blue star. Okay, that's what we need. So how big is Planet 9 compared to the sun? Now, look how much energy it's releasing. That's crazy. Wow. Okay, cool. So how much energy? Okay, it's bigger than the sun. Okay, that's what we wanted. But is it as big as I wanted originally? It's nowhere near, I don't think. Yeah, we've got a lot more to go so far. So let's go to 40 masses of the sun. Oopsie daisy. Let's just quickly delete that. Oh wait, is that a black hole there? Oh, we got a black hole. Is the black hole vaporizing? This is the most peculiar episode I've done of turning something into a star ever. Can we just delete that, please? Get out of here. Okay, there we go. Gone. Alright. Okay, so let's just get Planet 9 again. Yeah, sorry if this is a little silly, but Planet Hunters 1B, never heard of that before. It's happened. Can I not place anything? Okay, we can. Wait, what's going on right now? I think this simulation's kind of glitched, so let's quickly go back to a new one there. Alright, but I'm still very interested about that new feature there, because I didn't know that was there, that impact marks thing, because that is, I have not seen that before. If anyone else has seen that before this video has been made, please tell me. Yeah, I'm making this on the 15th of March right now, so if anyone's seen it before the 15th of March, please tell me, because this is an update or something, because I don't know. There was no update for the game when I launched it, so that's very peculiar there. But anyways, let's just go straight to, let's turn this off as well, because that's caused issues. Whoa! Okay, that's kind of what I wanted actually. But let's add a 0 on the end. And now let's make it a blue star, so let's do that. Or a white star, yeah, I'll do it with a white star. And let's make it about 10 masses of the sun, and the luminosity, where's the luminosity there? Alright, we need to close the menu and open it again. Alright, there we go. Luminosity, okay, let's make it 6 suns. Okay, there we go. So this should be having a big effect. It's gone red now. Right, poor old Sedna. I wonder if this has light now. Does it get daytime? No, Sedna's still in complete darkness. Okay. Because it is very far away. It's on the opposite side of the sun, pretty much. But anyways, let's go back to Earth, which is right about here. Okay, we're at the sun. Alright, there's Earth. Let's zoom in. It's very cold here for some reason. It's split up to 20 degrees. Does it have 2 suns? Oh, it does. That orange effect is very weird. In fact, let's quickly save it so that because that orange effect shouldn't be there. So let's just quickly save it and reopen it. So where is it? There it is. Now if we go back to Earth, oh, it's gone. Wait, it's gone. The star's gone blue now. Okay, so if we go back to Earth now, it shouldn't be orange anymore. Or the orange colour shouldn't be. It should be blue or white. Yeah, there we go. It's a lot brighter now. So as you can see, the day and night cycle has changed a bit, because if you look right about here, that bit should be in darkness, but it isn't. So that's very cool. All right, so here's the good stuff. See, because it has a lot of mass, let's see what trouble it will cause to the solar system. So this is going to take a while. So let's speed up time a lot. Oh. Right, let's see if anything happens. So it's already taken over this dwarf planet here. So, yeah, it's completely stolen this object from the sun. But it's not providing it any daylight, which is very strange. Okay, let's make the luminosity brighter. Let's make it 12. Okay, there we go. Okay, now it's providing light for this thing. There it goes. I don't know why there's a shadow there. That's pretty strange. Planet 9 is super bright, though. Wow. Okay. So if we compare it to the sun, if you want to have a little comparison, yeah, it's quite a lot bigger. So there's Saturn there, Uranus, Neptune, all the other guys. So, let's see how big it was compared to our original target as well. Is it large enough? No, it's not, but oh well. I think I'll leave it like that, because that's fine. Alright, so, let's continue to speed up time, and let's see what happens. Okay, so it's completely pulled the sun away from its original position. It's pulling in all of these dwarf planets, Pluto, Make, Iris, or Makemake if you're American, I believe that's how you guys say it. And, oh, is this object going to get vaporized? It's warming up a lot. Well, it looks like it just got ejected. Has it been ejected? May have been. Okay, let's see how Iris is doing here. Oh, look how close it is. Don't know why there's shadows here. That's very strange. I don't know why that is. Oh well, we'll deal with it. Okay. Oh, okay, looks like this one's getting thrown out as well, I think. Okay, let's keep an eye out on all the other ones. How's Sedna doing? Okay, Sedna's still really far away. Probably, the furthest object from Planet 9 now. So that's good to know. Okay, so is this in an orbit or not? Oh, that orbit is very unstable. If it goes round one more time, it could get thrown out going in this direction where my mouse is there. But, anyways, let's check out. How many times do I say anyways a video? Someone count that. I think I say it way too many. Alright, so, let's see this. So is Earth still doing good? Yeah. Oh, it's a little warmer than usual. Okay. Because the day and night cycle is very strange. Antarctica's now getting plenty of daylight. So we're on the bottom of the Earth now. The sun's over there. So where's Planet 9? Let's have a look. There it is, right there. Alright, cool. How's Venus doing? Because Venus is going to be really hot. Well, it should be. Yeah, it's increasing higher than usual, I think. Oh, wow. Okay, that's pretty crazy. Okay, so is the sun on the collision course of it or not? Oh, Make's there now. Or it's been thrown past. Oh, Uranus is next. Is it going to warm up? Yes, it did warm up there. About Charlinko. I think that's how you say it. Saturn, it's just pulling them all. Oh my god, look, it's stealing them all from the sun because it has higher mass. Okay, is it going to steal Ceres, Mars, or Earth or something? Well, it looks like Mars's orbit's changed a bit. Let's check that. Okay, yeah, Mars has changed slightly. Ceres has as well, and Vesta looks pretty much normal. But let's see what else now. So is the sun going to fly away or not? Let's keep it now. Okay, speed up more. Okay, so it's completely stolen Jupiter. Here, so let's see that. So is Jupiter gonna warm up anywhere? Still looking pretty cool. Okay, so I think Jupiter's in a more stable orbit here. Saturn as well. Poor old Sedna's just miles away. Well, not miles, probably thousands of astronomical units, I think. How far is it away? Okay, about 200 astronomical units away. Damn, I can never pronounce that first time. Alright. My favourite planet, Neptune's also been ejected, it looks like. So it looks like if you turn Planet 9 into an object which has a lot of mass, it's going to pull the whole solar system towards it and then eject a lot of the objects. Okay, Sedna's now on its close route by. Oh, it looks like it may have caught Sedna. Oh, the sun's getting close. Wait, let's slow down. Okay. Is it going to get really... Okay, the sun's getting really close. How far is that? Let's have a look. Wait, can't please say how far it is. So it's about 18 astronomical units away. So, yeah, that's quite a fair distance. Is it in a binary orbit with the sun, though? So, like, we could probably still could live on Earth at this point. So, we could... See, if Planet 9 was a star, we could still pretty much live on Earth. But the day and night cycle would be very strange, because Planet 9 is constantly moving, while the sun is pretty much in the same place it usually is in the sky. But this object's gone crazy, so it's completely stolen all these objects. So Ceres has been stolen now. So let's have a little look from Ceres on its north here. Right, North Pole. Alright, so if we land on the surface, we see a lot of lines, so let's quickly remove those. So we've got Planet 9 in the sky, pretty bright. And where's the sun? Sun? Where are you at? Can we see Jupiter? Okay, Jupiter, can't spot it either. Alright, okay. So let's zoom out of Ceres again. Oh, I'm going to have to get a drink in a minute. My voice is like dying. Alright, so let's go play again. Let's put the orbits back on, and let's see. So we have lost a lot of objects. We've lost Uranus, Saturn, Pluto, Neptune, and that dwarf planet there. I'm not going to say it. Alright, cool. Okay, we're getting a bit of lag, but we can deal with it. Let's put the quality on low, just to make things run smoother. Alright, low, please low, and there we go. Still lagging, but not as bad. Okay, the sun's on another close route by. So every time the sun goes through, it completely ruins the orbits again. And whose blue orbit is that? Is that Earth? Oh, that's Planet 9. Alright. Wow. Okay, we are losing more objects. We've lost Charlinko now. I still don't know how to pronounce that. Alright. Yeah, some of these objects are really bad, but... Yeah, I'm pretty good at my astronomy, but... yeah. I can't pronounce every single name. Yeah, I've been loving astronomy for years. I've liked it for like 11 years now. I've been doing it and just researching it. It's always interested me. So yeah, I'm pretty much an astronomy geek. I'm pretty smart at it. But it's better to talk to me in person other than like... Cause I can't really explain as well over video. I talk a lot better in person, I think. So if anyone ever approached me in real life, I'd be able to tell them stuff a lot easier. Alright, anyways. Let's go to here. Make again. Or Makamaki, or however you want to say it. So let's zoom out. Right, you can see the Andromeda Galaxy there, where my mouse is as well, on this old background. I don't know if that's in the new one. Alright, so it looks like we're in a very strange orbit with the sun. It looks like the sun is actually orbiting this star now. Or Planet 9, so that's very crazy. So let's speed up time a lot more. Wow, this is crazy. So I think that is it, honestly. Like, these orbits are very unstable, but they are still there. So I don't know. Because we have lost a lot of the solar system's objects. We have lost like Saturn, so we might as well delete these so the game doesn't have to continue run them. So we've lost all of these. They've disappeared. They're in just interstellar space now. Deep space. So we go, let's get rid of all them. Poor old Neptune's gone now. So we can look at the surviving objects on the list here. So we've lost all of the gas giants except Jupiter. Obviously Planet 9 was a gas giant, but not anymore. Still have the good old sun. Yeah, so we've lost a lot of material as well, so that's not good. Okay, let's slow down time a little more, can we? Yeah, we're going way too fast here. Alright, so let's see this. Oh, let's run a little quicker now, I think. Okay, so we've got Orcus over there as well. That's like the opposite of Pluto, I believe everyone calls it. Okay, how are we going? I'll speed up a little more. So it looks like it gets good around 40 years. Okay, here we go. So let's go here. So the system actually moving. I'm not locked onto any object right now. I'm just like, just looking in deep space. Oh, so the system is moving away from us, so... Where are they from their original positions? Okay, so the original solar system was somewhere over here then. So the whole solar system has been pulled, so... Yeah, that's pretty bad. How's Earth doing? Let's check up on Earth. Still orbiting the sun, so it should still be okay here. Oh, no! Wait. Wow, Earth's getting cold, actually. How did this dwarf planet get around the sun at this point? Yeah, this is a dwarf planet, I'm pretty sure. How did this make it here? Into the inner solar system at 122 degrees now. Not as hot as Mercury, but wow. So Earth's getting cold, which is very interesting. Okay, let's put the climate on. Oh wow, the whole thing's freezing up. Oh, it got disabled. Okay, it looks like Earth gets really hot and then really cold in certain. So the seasons are all out of shape now. How's good old Mars doing? Any hotter? 22? Oh, Mars has been getting hotter. Okay. That's good. Alright, let's speed this up. Oh, and also, guys, while this video, or the simulation is still playing out, we recently hit 170 subscribers, so we're almost at 200, which is pretty cool. So many thanks to everyone who has subscribed recently, and also, even bigger thing, we've hit 100,000 views overall on the entire channel. So if you added all the views up on every single video, it would be over 100,000. So that is insane. I can't thank everyone who watches me enough, because I've got a lot further than I thought I would, that's for sure. But hopefully we can still grow and maybe one day get, I don't know, 1,000 subs. I don't know, that'd be pretty cool if I could get there. But anyways, enough of that. Let's check this out. I still think I say anyways too much. It's kind of weird. Is that even a proper word? I don't know if that's an actual word. I think it's just like, I don't know if that's in the dictionary. Could just be like slang, I guess. I have no idea. Alright. So. Okay, the simulation's getting a little laggy now. Or still running, it's just like teleporting them everywhere. So I think it's pretty much stable, but I think it is. Yeah, they're in a binary orbit. Okay, so Jupiter should never change, and all of the objects that are orbiting the sun shouldn't change, and then all these objects, they're going to be like that for a long time unless the sun gets too close to them. But honestly, I think this is now pretty much a stable system, but we can reset the orbits as well. So let's do that. Okay, so we just reset the orbits. So the sun and planet 9 are still in a binary orbit there. Oh, is this object being ejected from the inner solar system? Because that was orbiting the sun earlier. Oh, some stuff's happened here. Look at Mars. And how did Venus make it here? Okay, that's very peculiar. How did it make it there? Look at the whole solar system now. It's very crazy. Earth's going to be a little colder than usual, I think. Wow. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. Okay, that's pretty interesting. Yeah, this is like crazy right now. Alright, let's slow down time a lot more. Come on. Alright, here we go. Oh, okay, so we're running at a few months a second now. So let's check Mars' temperature, because I reckon it's going to get pretty hot like this. Okay, let's pause it right about here. So 126. So Mars is getting too hot now. 300. Okay, it's 369 that was at. Poor old Venus is getting just melted here. How's Mercury doing? 260. Okay, how's it at the closest point? Oh, it heats up as well. Okay. Earth still at 40 degrees. Yeah, it's pretty much stuck around that sort of temperature now. Then over here, let's check planet 9 out again. So Make's only 138 degrees, which is interesting. So it's colder than like Venus and Mercury, which is cool. Jupiter's still minus 11. So how far away is Jupiter from that star? Okay, 7 AU, and then that. Okay, so Make's over what? So 1 over 1 Earth distance. So yeah, these objects are nowhere near like getting melted by the star, but the stuff around the sun is, which is crazy. All right, so let's speed up time a lot more again. Whoa, these guys are really far out now. Okay, so I'm going to count these guys as ejected because they are pretty far away. So let's move in here. So that is our final solar system, I think. I think that will end the video off here. So it's been going on quite a while. I don't make it too long because it takes forever to upload. So yeah, that's that. So if you enjoyed this episode, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more, obviously. Because can we get to 200 subs before the end of March? Because it's currently the, like I said, the 15th. So we've got 16 days left until we hit May. Wait, is it? Yeah, January, February, March, May. So we've got 15 days till we get May. So will we be able to get to 200 subs? Let's see if we can do it. So That's going to be good. And anyone know that May in French is called Mars? I'm not even lying, that's actually a thing. That's like one of the only things I remember from doing like French lessons when I used to go to school. Yeah, Mars is May in French, which is pretty cool. Yeah, fun fact of the day if you didn't know that. But anyways, hopefully you all enjoyed, like I said, and yeah, have a good day. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. And also, actually, one last thing. What object should I do next? So, I'm not going to like give you completely free offers, but or like completely like free choice. So, you can either choose between Saturn, Mercury, or let's go with, what else haven't we done? Let's go with Neptune, since that's my favourite planet. So, one of these planets, which one should I do next? Because I really want to do Mercury. I haven't tried that yet. So, Mercury, Neptune, or Saturn. Which one should I do next? Let's put the quality on high again, since we're not in that simulation anymore. I always have the quality on high, so there we go. And watch the graphics, and now they're awesome. Alright, anyways, like I said, goodbye. That's like my worst outro ever. Anyways, see you in the next video. See? It still has it. Right. I sort of like glitched it. I don't know if anyone else has this, but it's pretty sweet. But anyways, if I quickly go to my simulation now, we're Planet 9, so that is right there. And as we can see, we're in the old background still, and we also have my custom Planet 9 right here. So it's our pretty blue one, because I don't like the normal Planet 9 it spawns, because it spawns it in like random colours. And if this planet is an ice giant, it's probably going to be blue. So, yeah, there you go, I guess. But we're going to be turn this bad boy into a star. So, at the moment, it's in complete darkness. So we need to do something about that and make it a source of light. So I think we'll be making it really big. Because it's far away, if we made it about the same size as the sun, it wouldn't do anything hardly, probably. So we're going to be making it probably around the same size as this star here. That's it, our Aldebaran, an orange giant star. So it's a little smaller than how the sun will be as a red giant, but yeah, there we go. Actually, I think the red giant sun will be way bigger, actually. Wait, let's type it. Feed some Earths into Planet 9 as well. Let's do some Venuses, and then we'll throw another Planet 9 in nearby. Okay, here we go. Oh, wow. That's pretty hot. 9,000 degrees now. That's pretty cool. Right, let's make sure this Earth doesn't escape. And this pretty large fragment. Wow. Let's get rid of that. Let's throw it right in there. Come on, go in. There we go. It's gone. Look at all the debris. This is cool. I just love the old background as well. I used to really like it, but I don't know. I think I like the newer one more now. I think it's more realistic. But anyways, now let's start eating a lot of Planet 9s. Look at this. It's tearing its own self up. Yeah, my Planet 9's the best, not these like peasant ones. Mine's the real Planet 9 'cause it's got all the blue and stuff. Wait, did we lose it? Yeah, damn it. Alright, let me just call another one in. I'm doing it all on camera, not pausing just for that. So here we go. Let's get my proper Planet 9 in again. And let's give it a little boost in size to make up for that incident. So there we go. Okay. Now, let's make it so it's orbiting the sun as well. Alright. Cool. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video. Now today, we are going to be turning Planet 9 into a star. So yeah, it has been a while since I've turned the planet into a star. I've sort of like paused the series, but we are back now. And we're going to be turning Planet 9 today. So hopefully you all enjoy the video, and hopefully you're all having a good day. But anyways, another quick thing I noticed was someone in the comments said, oh, how did you get the old background into the game from older versions? Well, basically, I went into an older version of the game, and I saved a simulation with that background. So I'll show you right here. Yeah, I called it old background. So if I click it, it will bring me up to the old background that was in the game. I think it was like at the end, or maybe in some point last year, then the new one came along and replaced it. But it's sort of like glitched, because when you switch it onto this and then you open any simulation, like it will give you that background. So if I'm just going to a whole new one now, it still spawns with this background. It's a glitch. It's really weird. It's not like me being doing anything smart. Like if I just click on a random one here, yeah, the red giant sun will be a lot bigger. Yeah, I made my custom own one here. I've got two of them. I can't remember which one's my latest one. I think it's this one actually. Alright, anyways, so we've got a lot of work to do. So first of all, let's start making it bigger. So let's throw some of the Kepler planets in it, and this is gonna be pretty cool. Okay, start eating these up, Planet 9. Oh, that was pretty quick. Let's slow time down. Alright, cool. Yeah, I was actually surprised at how many people like this like series, I guess. Like, because people were kept on like saying like, when are you gonna do next episode, or like do this planet, and I was like, it gets too repetitive after a while, so I took a break. But now I'm back doing it. We're gonna be doing another few. So, oh, this is pretty cool. Look, we're giving it some rings as well. Let's just spam these planets in. Look at this. Oh wow. Oh my god, look at Planet 9, just gobbling them all up. All Planet 9s are like going crazy. Getting a bit of game lag, but it's okay. Alright, cool. It's because we're on the highest graphics, or the highest quality settings right now. Okay, we don't want them escaping, so let's quickly grab this guy and pull him back and crash him in there. Okay, fragments I don't care about, because they're not really a big deal. Look at all of the debris though. Like, just look at these rocks, they're so cool. I just love the detail in them, they look really cool. Alright. It still makes me curious though, if these are fragments and they're not circles, how can like a random asteroid be still a circle? Like, if we get a random asteroid here, this is a bit, I believe this should be a... Oh no, they fixed it! They fixed the glitch. Okay, cool, that's good to know. Yeah, these, what about Phobos and Eos? Oh no, they haven't. They still haven't fixed it, look. Because these are meant to be asteroids. Mars's moons are not circular, they are asteroids, so they shouldn't be like this. That's very peculiar. But at least like the random asteroids are now asteroids again. I reckon it won't be a big issue because I can literally just turn these into asteroids, or I can literally get a random asteroid, make them the same size, and rename it for that. So yeah, that won't be a problem. But anyways, back to Planet 9, and damn, that debris is pretty big. How big is it compared to Earth? Let's have a quick look. Pretty big compared to Earth, just a random piece of debris. Anyway, let's